What's up fellas, welcome to this new episode. So if you're looking to access your Temu order history and manage your orders, you've landed on the right video. In this video I'll be showing you just the steps you need to access your recent orders on Temu and manage the orders that you need to track. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So to access your recent orders on Temu, the first thing that you want to do is to update the Temu app. Okay, so you just want to go to your Google Play Store just like so and search for Temu, and then you just click on this update button to make sure that you are using the latest version of Temu. So after updating the Temu app, you open it once more. Okay, so from here you just want to click on this U tab here at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you should see these your orders here. So just click on that, and then you should be able to see a list of orders that you've placed on Temu. Okay, so this is a Temu account I made for the purpose of this tutorial. You won't be seeing an order here because I haven't placed an order just yet, but this is how you get to access your recent orders on Temu. And from here you should be able to view orders that are processing, shipped, delivered and returning. Okay, so you should be able to manage your order here and do stuff such as tracking your orders for recent delivery updates, or actually seeing where they are at the moment, okay, at the real time which you are accessing them. So I've dropped a step-by-step guide in the video description that you can use to understand the process of accessing your Temu order history. And if you're looking to track your Temu orders, I've equally dropped a guide leading you to track your Temu orders without any hassle. So that's how you get to access your recent orders on Temu. Okay, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to not miss any coming content from us. So I catch you in the next episode.